you think it's a fact or not that sneeze travels faster than a cheetah?
They just jump and while running and we just sneeze like okay, it's done. It's a fact, yeah. It's not a fact. Cheetah can run faster. Cheetah run very fast.
No, because sneeze don't have legs. I think I'm faster than them. I could beat them in a running race. Not a fact.
Yup, that's a fact. When you sneeze, the rush of air can reach speeds of up to 160 km per hour. In comparison, a cheetah can only reach a top speed of around 120 km per hour. This means we might sneeze faster than the world's fastest land animal sometimes.